R&R doesn't mean rest and relaxation around here. It means rock and roll. R&R Heating and Air Conditioning is Spokane and Coeur d'Alene's premier contractor for heating and AC. We rock commercial refrigeration, install and control systems, residential and new construction, geothermal and radiant. We're good, and we get it done right because heating and air conditioning is all we do. Call R&R first. R&R Heating and Air Conditioning. Residential, commercial, new construction.